Hi. Glad to see you again. And here is the second part of the video. In this part, I show how to build a point system. Let's do it. By the way, if you find the coin sound too loud, you can turn it down here. Go to Player and click on Coin Sound. Here, at Volume dB you can change the volume. Now, delete all the coins we created last time, except for coin 1. Select coin 2, up to 5, then right-click and click on Delete Node. And click on OK. Now, click on Level 1, then right-click. Now go to Add Child Node and search for Canvas Layer. Double-click on it. Now, right-click on Canvas Layer, and go to Add Child Node again, and search for Label. Double-click on it. Here is the label. Go to Inspector, and click on the text box, and type in points. Now start the program. The font is too small. Let's make it bigger. Click on Scale Mode, and enlarge the label. Like this. Start the program again. This looks better. Go back to Select Mode. Double-click on Label and name it Text. Now, let's create the label for the numbers. Click again on Canvas Layer, then right-click and go to Add Child Node. Search again for Label. Double-click on it, and rename it to Score. Place your label here. Let's create a script for Canvas Layer. But first rename Canvas Layer in HUD. HUD means Head-Up Display. Now click on this sign. Go to Template and select Empty. Now click on Create. Now type this text. Make sure that Score is written exactly the same as here, because with the $sign, we call this node. Now go to your coin script. And create this signal. I call it coin_collected. Now, we must call this signal in our function. Click on Coin, then on Node. And here is our created signal. Double-click on it, then click on HUD, and click on Connect. Now, type these two lines here. Let's test the program. The number is too small. Let's change it. Click on Score. Then, click on Scale Mode, and enlarge the field. Go back to Select Mode, and place your score field a bit more centered. Like this. Let's test the program. Nice. Now, duplicate the coins like last time, with Ctrl D. Distribute them. And start the program again. That's it. Until next time. Bye.